Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. Have you ever been out riding on a trail and gotten a flat tire? So is my husband. But this portable bicycle tire inflator has been a game changer. Flats happen, and when they do, you don't want to be stuck because that can really ruin your day. So having a quick way to fill up your tire and be on your way again in minutes has been so nice. This pump by anoutway is lightweight and fits perfectly in my husband's bike bag, so he's able to have it on hand at all times when he's out riding. Let's face it, having to exert yourself with a hand pump is no fun, especially in the heat. This pump just screws on, you set your PSI with the digital pressure gauge, and you can walk away because it has an auto stop feature when it reaches that PSI, which is awesome. It's rechargeable and is fully charged in around 30 minutes. My husband really likes that it works on both Schrader and Presta valves because when he's out riding with our son, he can just have the one pump for both bikes. My husband has a road bike as well, so he really likes that the pump goes up to 120 psi. And another really cool thing about this pump is that it comes with a needle, so my son can use it to add air to his football and basketball. We've been really happy with it. But that's just our point of view.